Okay.
This motor is for the right hopper. For the right hopper. This motor is for the middle hopper. And the left motor is for the left motor, left hopper. And this motor we didn't fix it, but you will fix it by yourself. So we control this hopper, okay? And here. And all of the motors line like this, okay? This one will be go inside. The keyboard, this keyboard. Oh, one thing here. This cable, the motor's cable, there are 3 lines will be like this one. If this cable motor is for control the right hopper, that means will be here. The 3 line will be 1, 2, 3, okay? And the second motor keyboard will be fixed here, 1, 2, 3. The third motor keyboard will be fixed here. And this one, number 4 is for connection this hopper motor. Yeah, this middle hopper motor. Okay.
Okay.
And before we and after we delivery the battery implant, we didn't fix this scale. This scale should be fixed by yourself. Yeah. And there's a screw here will be will be fixed here, right? Okay. And will be fixed this gear by this. And this one fixed by like this. And this, the second one, yeah, the second one. And over there, you see, over there, you can, yeah, that one, this one. There are 3 scale. Okay. And this one, this head, you have to fix by on the down location. And this one line, 一条线啊, one line. I come to here will be fixed to be 3 line, 3 line. Yeah. 从一根哈，从一根啊，再弄3根。Okay, so this keyboard, 什么？先暂停吧。You know there are 3 charges, 1, 2, 3. Each one is for each skill. Yes. So you have to fix here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this switch is for connection the power source. 1, 2, 3. So you will get a line, get a cable fixed here, and the cable will be you know connected with your power source. Okay, and you do like this. Will be switch on this one, switch off, this one switch on. Okay. And 我看啊，这个东西。61、62、63，这一共3料，还有66，又写出来写，你别往落哈。And this one for the diagrams for you to setting up the data. That means if you feed the sand, inside this right hopper, and you would like to win about 100 kilograms, okay? And here, like this one, you touch here. And to set up this, this one, you for example, you set up 100 kilograms, okay? You set up, okay, and confirm. So that means this hopper will be, you know, this conveyor belt will be transfer 100 kilograms of sand inside this hopper. So that means after the 100 kilograms of the sand fit inside the hopper, this motor will be stopped And the second hopper, for example, you will feel the stone dust. Okay, you set up. For example, you set up 200 kilograms. So after the stone dust fit inside the hopper 200 kilograms, the motor will be stopped. Okay. The third hopper, maybe you will feel the fly ash, maybe 50 kilograms. After 50 kilograms of the fly ash drop down the scale hopper, the third motor will be stopped. Okay. And after you fix all the technician details inside this the PLC now here. So what you can do is to operate this batching plant. This one already fixed here.
空间配掉就行了吧。
And this one, you touch this button to control the hopper, batching hopper. The batching hopper will be switch on the motor and to transfer the material down to the hopper of the mixer. And this one is stop. This
那两不用，那两不用。
this tool no use. This one useless. This tool is useless. Okay. Oh. Now here's the controller box of the mixer. The controller box of the mixer. Okay. And open here. I want to tell you. And this one is the power source, the cable location here. What you should do is you will fix the three line of the cable from your power source to here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 line, all of the 6 line is the motor of the mixing motor. We fixed already. And this one, 1, 2, 3. The keyboards will be fixed. The conveyor belt motor. Okay, the conveyor belt motor. The cables will be fixed here. The conveyor belt will be transfer the concrete material from the batching plant. This motor here. And here is for the water pump. The motor. Water pump motor here. We fixed already. 1, 2, 3. And after you fix the power source here, you will switch on. And this part is for you to adjust the water feeding times. That means the number is 112 seconds, and you can plus the time by this plus and decrease this one, decrease 3, 2. Okay, that means the water feeding times here. And this button is that means the automatic time feeding. And if you turn this direction, that means the automatic feeding water. And if you turn the right side, that means it's the manual, the water feeding. If you here is the water manual feeding, that means this one is to start to feeding the water by manual. This one stop the water feeding manually. Now this one is control the mixing motor to start on. The mixing motor start on. This one stop the mixing motor. And here is for control. It start on switch on the conveyor machine to transfer the material from the mixer to the block machine. This one. 是吧？看稳行了吧？ Okay. And my friend, you please remember, there's another conveyor machine. The conveyor belt will be fixed. Will be connected between the batching plant and the concrete mixer, which will transfer the material up to the mixer. So that that conveyor machine motor, conveyor machine motor cable will be fixed together with this motor, with this conveyor motor, this batching plant. This motor and the conveyor machine motor will be fixed together to this location. 1, 2, 3. This one. So that means the time you control the batching. That means drop down the material. This motor will be switched on. At the same time, the conveyor machine will be working to transfer the material from this hopper up to the mixer. So I can hope you can understand.